Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain to all of you about short-term and long-term production costs. So what is production costs? Production costs are an important component in calculating the price at the market. To avoid any loss, as an entrepreneur, you must calculate in detail about the production costs, from raw materials to other unexpected costs. Next, the production costs of each company can be divided into two types. First, explicit costs. Explicit costs are any costs that are spent to acquire factors of production and other input paid for in the market. And second one is hidden costs. Hidden costs is payment for manufacturing business, expertise, or private capital used in the business and buildings owned by the company. Okay, next is short-term production costs. Short-term production costs has several important factors that are used in the calculation process. So these components are total cost. Total cost is represent the total production costs incurred during the production process. To calculate a total cost, so here's the formula. TC equals TVC plus TFC. So the TC here, it means total cost. TVC, it means total variable cost. And TFC is total fixed cost. Next is a total variable cost. Total variable cost is a company pays in production factors are variable or variable depending on the production that will be produced. To calculate total variable cost is a TVC equals TC minus TFC. Next is total fixed cost. The cost that a company pays to acquire production factors or inputs are fixed and cannot be changed in short term. To calculating total fixed cost is a TFC equals TC minus TVC. And then average total cost is the total cost used to produce a certain amount of goods divided by the number of goods produced. So to calculate average total cost is ATC equals TC divided TQ. TQ, it means total quantity. So TQ has meaning of total goods in produce. Next, average fixed cost. The average fixed cost in short-term production costs is the total fixed cost divided by number of unit produced. In the short term, when the factors of production do not change, the average fixed cost will tend to decrease as output increases. And the formula is AFC equals TFC divided Q. And the last is marginal cost. Marginal cost. Short-run marginal cost is the additional cost of producing one more unit of product in a short production period. This will help the companies understand the additional costs associated with their production decisions. To calculating the marginal cost is a ATC equals delta TC divided delta Q. The last is long-term production cost. Long-term production involves using and adjusting all factors of production, including fixed factors of production, to optimize production levels. In the long term, a company may change the number and type of production factors, such as increasing factory capacity or redesigning the production process. And in the long-term production cost, there are two ways to calculating. First is long marginal cost, is the additional cost due to an increase in output by 1 unit. The change in total cost is equal to change in variable cost. The formula is LMC. It means long marginal cost equals delta LTC divided delta Q. And then the last one is long average cost. Long average cost is the average cost per unit of output when a business operates it at its optimal scale over a longer period of time where all factors of production can be adjusted. The formula is LAC equals LTC divided Q. So that's it. Thank you for